Dream ko talaga makapag-Cinemalaya kasi dito naman ako nag-start way back 2019.
Nabanggit niya sa akin na si Elijah makakasama ko. Sabi ko, uy! May Elijah Canlas, uy!
First time ko rin mag-regional story, Romblon, tapos the whole language is, it's in Sibuyan, which is a dying language. Ang pelikula namin, ang entry namin ay titled Raging. It's written and directed by Ryan Machado. I said yes because it's a story about male-to-male abuse and also the forces of nature. And it's set in Sibuyan. I've never been to Romblon. Also, prof ko dati si Direk Ryan sa UP. So, parang Sir Ryan ko yan. And also, assistant director namin, kuya ko mismo, my brother. So parang it just felt like the right project for me. Madaming mga topics na pinaglalaban yung Raging. Even water sports is talking about climate change, global warming. Yung Raging din, may ganyan din about environment and nature in general. But also, at its core, sa character namin at least, I mean, it's about male-to-male abuse also, which is barely talked about. It's a taboo subject.
Dream ko talaga makapag-Cinemalaya kasi dito naman ako nag-start way back 2019. Then, nung nalaman kong si Canlas yung makakasama ko, mas ginanahan ako or mas naging masaya ako kasi napag-work namin before. So, super excited lang ako nung una. Then, sa Romblon kami, first time ko din makapunta doon. Sobrang ganda ng Romblon. Siguro, yun, masaya lang. Hanggang ngayon, masaya pa din kami actually.
This film is?
Fuckboys. Pinaka first Cinemalaya. Way back.
Kaya babies kami pare.
2019. So, talagang gusto namin makabalik dito. Gusto namin makagawa ng magandang craft. And sana ito na yun.
Okay, well, for me naman, yung first project ni Sir Ryan with Virgin Lab Fest, ako yung nakuha na actor doon. Ako si Andoy for Ang Mga Puyong. And then, nag-message lang siya. Sabi niya, gusto mo bang maging character? Gusto mo bang maging actor for my new film? Sabi ko, yes, kasi naka-work ko na siya and sobrang sarap ka-work ni Sir Ryan. Sobrang open niya lang and sobrang dali niya ka-work kasi sobrang demure lang ni Sir Ryan ka-work. And then, after that, nabanggit niya sa akin na si Elijah makakasama ko. Sabi ko, uy! May Elijah Canlas, uy!
Reynolds,
uy! So, ayun. Tapos, syempre makakapunta kami Sibuyan and sobrang ganda ng Sibuyan. So, sobrang bait din ng mga tao. Tapos, tinutulungan din kami sa mga lines kapag tama ba yung mga intonations namin. So, ayun. That's why I said yes. Yes. Yung language ay doon talaga from Sibuyan, which is unique.
Yes. Oo, ito po yung first. I mean, I've done 3 Cinemalaya films. My first ever film was Sundalong Kanin. 4 kaming lead doon, but it was an ensemble film. And then Edward and then Blue Room was an ensemble film also. So medyo malaking honor. And I'm excited to be back in Cinemalaya. I have 2 films. May water sports din, directed by Wami Alcazarin for shorts naman. Also produced by Alan Bergang. Nakaka-proud na nakapasok ng 2 ngayon. And both projects that I'm really, really proud of.
Yeah, grabe kasi parang first time ko makita yung sarili ko. Hindi ko nakilala kung ano yung itsura ko. So kami kahapon ni Elijah talagang all out na kami. I mean, gusto namin tatapusin. Masaya kami even though late na kami matatapos. Late namin natapos talaga actually like mga 1 a.m. namin natapos. Pero wala, parehas na kami nakangiti. Then sabi namin, see you tomorrow. Tol.
Cinemalaya is the first independent film festival sa Philippines, right? Ito yung pinakauna. And Cinemalaya, iba pa rin yung mga kwento, yung mga boses na nabibigyan ng chance para magkwento dito sa Cinemalaya. At yung mga kwento dito, kakaiba. Hindi mo makikita sa iba't ibang festivals lang or di kaya lalo sa mainstream cinema. So, to be a part of a Cinemalaya film means you get to tell important stories. So, it's an honor for me, for us, to keep telling these stories. And especially, first time ko rin mag-regional story, Romblon, tapos the whole language is, it's in Sibuyan, which is a dying language. Kaya may extra challenge na ganun. But also, mas nakaka-pressure and mas nakaka-proud to be able to tell the story of, Romblananons and mga taga-Sibuyan mismo.